Hello traders, you have reached the Phantom, coming to you live from the Phantom's Crypt, where we are haunting the charts and resurrecting profits in a downright ghastly market. This is going to be a shorter video than normal, as we're simply bringing this to you to let you know an update on our recent call on Amazon. Please take the time to check out the prior video that we put out September 14, 2010 for full details. For just kind of a quick recap, we had noticed a clear head and shoulders pattern possibly developing on the daily charts in Amazon, but to make this a little bit sweeter and a little bit different than what we normally see, this head and shoulders pattern is floating above a large gap up from October 23rd, 2009. We call this the guillotine trade, as the decapitated stock is hanging above an old gap up. Targets to the downside, if this pattern holds, would be the neckline around 111 and then gap fill way down to 94. As we discussed on the prior video, it's taken about 12 months for this to form, and so when fully coming to fruition, it could take a little bit longer. Here's what we're seeing since the prior video we put out. Let's take a little bit closer look at this right shoulder. The first red line here is the high from the left shoulder, as shown on the prior chart, around 145.91. As you see, we had 3 days where the stock certainly held below that level. We had one clear breakout to the upside on pretty good volume, but we like to find confirmation before we think anything is a real move. And unfortunately, fortunately for us, there's not a real confirmation on the next day. This breakout above the left shoulder level got up to about 148.23. We'd like to see a follow-up day close above the prior high. We did close at 148.32, which is about 9 cents above the prior close. That may not be strong enough to really suggest confirmation, and we aren't believers that the pattern has been broken just yet. To further confirm that this strong up move may be slowing down is the fact that we have a shining star candle occurring at the end of this run up. This is the level to watch. The prior left shoulder high of 145.91 that could serve as at least a short-term support. In the near term, the next level up would be a double top high from the head at around 151.09. If the stock breaks above that level, then we would negate the head and shoulders pattern, but given this strong run up on relatively average volume, we don't believe that our pattern has been discredited. So we're going to be watching that closely, and watch with us. Check out the prior video and stay tuned. Be careful, because it's scary out there.